The question is, do I use artificial intelligence in research? And the answer is complicated in that every publisher I work with has an absolute prohibition on using AI for writing in any way. So I'm extremely leery of using AI at all. But how can you not if you're using a mapping program to find out where the streets intersect? You're using artificial intelligence for research. Do I go to a chatbot and ask it research questions? Yes, I do. And I find that it's wrong sometimes and offers insights that would not have occurred to me other times. So I always validate it. I always independently and separately confirm the accuracy. And I'll give you one example. I wanted to write a diver in a cave setting. This is very dangerous. It's a hobby. It's illegal in many places and certainly really very dangerous. They do night dives in caves. Can you imagine? I didn't know the name of any of the equipment or the tie rope that is your safety net to get back to the exit and so on. And I was able to use a chatbot to give me the vocabulary. And from the vocabulary, I could then write something that felt quite credible. But you know what? I checked all of the vocabulary, and I found out it actually had named a knot that might be used that just isn't used in that context. It's used in other boating contexts, but not in a night dive in cave context. Be careful. AI is powerful, but it makes mistakes. And you have to do the writing, which is, of course, why we're here, because we love doing the writing. I know you can use AI sensibly in ways that won't hurt you, and I look very forward to hearing your thoughts on the subject. If this tip had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.